Welcome to this guided session on Pawanmuktasana Series 1. It's a therapeutic set of yogic movements designed to release wind, remove joint stiffness, and prepare the body for deeper yoga practice. So we start with toe bending, Padanguli Naman. So we sit in Dandasana, we extend our legs forward and keeping our spine straight. We keep our hands beside the hips for support and focus fully on your toes. So when we inhale, we stretch all toes backward towards the body. And when we exhale, we curl all toes forward away from the body. Inhale, exhale. Repeat this 10 to 15 times slowly and mindfully. And in case you feel that your hamstrings are tight, you can also use a cushion under your hips. And please prevent excessive tension in the leg. And you can also keep the feet slightly apart for more comfort. It improves the blood circulation to the feet. It strengthens your foot muscles, and it also helps to prevent cramps and stiffness. Don't do this in case you have any inflammation in your toe or if you went recently through a foot surgery. Then we move on to ankle rotation. So we start again in Dandasana and we extend our legs forward, and then you just rotate your ankle clockwise 10 times and also 10 times counterclockwise. We start with the right leg, and then afterwards we switch to the left leg. Keep your shoulders relaxed, keep your spine upright. Make sure that the circular motion comes from the ankle and not from your leg. This asana enhances your balance, it relaxes your ankle joints, and it also prevents stiffness in your ankle. Then let's move to knee bending. Our next asana. Sit again with both legs extended in Dandasana. And you bend your right knee, interlacing your fingers under your knee. And when we inhale, you pull the knee gently toward the chest. When you exhale, you extend this leg towards the ceiling. So it's most important that your spine stays straight. It's not a problem if your knee is not fully extended and fully straight. That is not a problem, but it's important that your spine remains really straight. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, and then we switch to your left leg. If your hips are really tight, you can also sit on a cushion, and you can support with your hands behind if needed. It's good to strengthen your leg muscles, to mobilize your knee joint, and it's a perfect pre-workout warm-up and also good for rehabilitation. If you're recovering from a knee injury, avoid deep bending. Then we move to the hip joint rotation also known as the half butterfly. We start again in Dandasana, and you bend your right leg, put it against your left leg, and you make an up and down movement with the knee. Keep the spine tall and your face relaxed. Maybe you give it a smile to relax your face muscles. And then, once you've done this with your right leg, also repeat with your left leg. Make sure that you don't rotate too fast. If it's painful in your knee, you can also place a cushion under your knee. And this exercise improves your hip flexibility. It also reduces lower back tension, and it might help a better digestion. Then let's move to our last asana, the neck movements. So we sit in Sukhasana with crossed legs, and we keep our spine straight. And then you begin with your head with a forward and backward bending. So when you exhale, bring your chin to the chest. When you inhale, tilt your head back gently. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. We repeat this 5 to 10 times. And then we shift to a side-to-side movement. So you move your head to the right, and you move your head to the left. Repeat this also 5 to 10 times. And finally, we go to a full circle rotation. So do one full circle clockwise and one full circle counterclockwise. Please don't do the full circular rotation if you feel vertigo or if you have neck injuries. Then it's better to skip this full rotation. Otherwise, keep your shoulders relaxed. Don't push your head too far in any direction. And well, this will help you to relieve neck stiffness. It improves also your posture, and it calms down your nervous system. So these 5 asanas from the Pawanmuktasana Seria 1 bring mobility, also awareness, and it unlocks an energy flow into your joints. It's perfect for beginners, although for elderly persons, and actually for everyone who wants to recover from stiffness or also just release stress. Important is that you practice gently, that you always listen to your body, and that you stay connected to your breath. Thank you very much for taking the time for today's yoga session with me. I hope to see you soon on your mat, and I wish you a great and a peaceful day ahead. Thank you very much.